In Houston, going solar isn't just about panels on your roof. You also have to choose an electricity provider. And in a deregulated market, that decision can make or break your savings. Most solar companies install the system and leave you to figure out the rate plan. But export credits, peak pricing, and plan structures directly impact how much you actually save with solar. If your plan isn't aligned, you leave money on the table. Atma takes a different approach. We design, install, and support your system in-house. And we align your energy plan with how your home actually produces and consumes power. Now, let's talk batteries. Traditionally, homeowners buy a battery up front and then join a virtual power plant. In exchange for letting the provider control the battery during grid events, they receive $20 to $50 in monthly bill credits. Our battery program flips that model. Instead of paying a large upfront cost and sharing control for small credits, we eliminate the upfront purchase entirely. So you get the benefits of storage, resilience, peak optimization, and smarter energy management without the capital expense. With Atma, you also get one energy company, one integrated strategy, and clear accountability. In Houston, that means solar, storage, and your electricity plan working together from day one. So you can take control of your power and enjoy the sunshine.